Now write some identities related to root. Okay. So first, root with same number, if we multiply, then root will disappear. Okay. Second, if different number a into root b, then it will multiply. As for example, root 3 into root 3, that is equals to 3. Here example, root 7 into root 3, that is equals to root 21. Okay. Third, as you know that root a means a to the power 1 by 2. So here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. If nothing is there, means 2 is there. So that's why 1 by 2. Similarly, if it is written like that, a 3, so that is cube root, means a to the power 1 by 3. If it is written a 4, so that is a to the power 1 by 4. As for example, if it is written that 3, suppose 7, so this means 7 to the power 1 by 3. If it is written 4 and that is 32, so it is equals to 32 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, so this is identities, this is a concept related to root. So on the basis of, there is a question is that find the value of 6 root 27 minus root under 6 is to 3 by 4 whole square. So what is the value of this? So as we know that a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here this whole term is a, this whole term is b. So a minus b whole square. First you simplify this. So you can simplify this. 20, we can write 27 to the power 1 by 6, because 6 is there according to this concept, and minus you can write 6 4 ja 24 and 24 and 3 27. 27 by 4 whole to the power. Here nothing is there means what? Nothing is there means what? 2. So 1 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 and whole to the power, whole to the whole square. Okay. Now you can write this 27 3 to the power 3, 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27 upon. Here you can write 27 by 4. So you can write 9 into 3 upon 4 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now you know that if x to the power m whole to the power m, if power to the power, then power will be multiplied. So here power to the power So here 3, so this becomes 3 to the power 1 by 2 minus, what is this? 1 by 2 means root of 9. Root of 9. So you can write root of 9. 1 by 2 power means what? 1 by 2 power means root. So here 9, root of 9 is what? 3. And root of 4 is what? 2. But 3 is remaining. So this is 3 to the power 1 by 2 whole square. Whole square. So is there any common in between these two terms? Yes, 3 to the power 1 by 2. So just take common. 3 to the power 1 by 2 common. So here 1 will remaining and here 3 by 2 and whole square. And this square will appear on both the number. So you can write 3 1 by 2. That square will come here, whole square, and that square will come also here. 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Again here power to the power, then it will multiply, and if it will multiply, 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this becomes 3 into, take a LCM, 2 minus 3 upon 2 whole square. So 3 into, what is 2 minus 3? Minus 1 upon 2 whole square. So 3 minus 1 whole square, as we know that minus 1 into minus 1 equals to plus 1, and minus 1 into plus 1 equals to minus 1. So here minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1, and 2 to the power 2 square is 4. So what is come? 3 upon 4 is the answer. So the value of this is 3 upon 4. So now you can see here the concept of root and the concept of exponent both are has used in this form, this question. Okay.